Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to unpair Bluetooth speaker to our phone. Friends, you want to unpair your Bluetooth speaker, so friends you can unpair it. And friends, now let's see how to unpair Bluetooth speaker in our phone. In this video friends I will show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to unpair your speaker. Then guys, you can see this type of setting. Guys, click on guys your mobile connection setting, and guys you can see your Bluetooth setting. Friends, you want to on and off, you can on and off your Bluetooth from here. And as you can see guys, we have paired this speaker, and guys we want to unpair. So by right side icon guys, tap here, and friends you can see disconnect option and forget option guys. So as you want to unpair, so guys click on forget option, guys click on this forget device, then it will unpair to your phone. Guys, you cannot use guys your Bluetooth speaker now. Guys, you want to use, so you will have to pair again. Then guys you can use your Bluetooth speaker with your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth speaker. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.